So Kanye West make one post right there. Zane where must say yo, him must never stop suck. See how CK tell him about 40. We don't need for watching a look boy picking them on and grow. Can't think of firing that and they mess up though. Alright.
Hey people, never say my fellow funny. We can't believe he does what does. He does what? Breeze past that like he never does it what he does it.
I'm being business doesn't know about. Hey, no. Part of earth, no. My message is
keenly. More wanna tell me if I dem a pressure that you would have to say what I say. Or it inna him something when Bina do, or him just comfortable talking about it. But anyhow, I want bag of why. More wanna watch it, tell me one thing.
Second one, so when you turn Batman, which grade?
What?
Which grade you turn fish? Which grade you turn Batman?
grade 6.
So how you find out? How you find out?
No. Alright. I'm turn Batman.
Yes.
The reason why I'm turn Batman is because no.
They never dare touch you when they do it again.
So some man that asked me if did I
Some man did ask?
No, alright.
Yo,
so
like, make him talk.
James did and I thought they asked me to take out my place. So that is so it look like me do some type of retaliation and just become Batman. Some type of retaliation and then turn Batman.
Oh, it's a retaliation thing.
So just get dark and just turn Batman so.
Yeah man.
Oh,
Batman life nice?
No.
So you turn it then?
No.
So why you do it? Why you turn it then? If it's not nice.
Because them give me some form of retaliation.
So you are the man or the woman in a relation, your Batman relationship?
What?
Yeah, the man.
Yeah, the man or the woman.
You receive or you give? You receive.
You take or you give?
The input or your output? The input?
Which one must you pick?
Output.
Yeah, sure?
Yeah. Output.
What does output mean?
When you get girlfriend, yeah.
Input mean you're Batman.
Yeah, so output though.
Yeah.
Alright.
If you choose, brother.
What? No.
Input how you take in education.
No. What?
Look like no education you take in.
So you say man until you take out the penis married?
You take it out. You take it out though.
Yo, alright. Them they tell me, alright. You know, like sometime, alright. You know, so I'm going to
about 45 times I say alright, I'm going on.
I'm going to the bathroom. I'm looking for my order. I say, what is that? I say, I can't out with that. I can't out with that. Yo, I can't out with that. I can't out with that.
Vagina?
Wait, the small?
No.
The small, medium size.
No, it big like a man one.
Yo!
So come on, when are they at home? Where you watch? You don't know.
Where you watch?
I don't think you watch now. Are you
what?
Tell me.
You know what?
No.
We're not gonna laugh in the head off when we say this. Alright. Watch.
Oh, you're the boss.
No, you know how much?
No, watch no more.
No. but this phone is kind of better than one watch. Watch, boy. More sexy girl.
Alright. No man, me not be testy dog still.
That man the daddy good and say that too. No man, me not be testy dog.
You find a video.
Wanna hear a video? Eh?
TikTok you find a video.
Yeah.
Dog, I don't. Bro.
Youths them a ton fish in Jamaica.
Yeah man. I never have a fun about it too. It's like,
bro,
it's
come
like,
on, man. Come on, man.
Listen
me, man. Me just see nobody want to play. Go on.
No, I said that you there watch quite a video. The same. I'm a Jamaican. And even if I'm Jamaican, we are disowning me, people. We don't want him. We don't take him. China, somewhere.
Anyway, take him.
We don't take him.
Yeah.
So that's somebody here. In
Alright,
which
daddy
part
could
of
have taken
the
him
world
and
he
deal
live?
with him.
In which part of the world somebody I live? Me know a Jamaican already, you know. Because if man a Jamaican, he might pretend. To hard he might pretend. Yeah, we are trade.
Yeah, swap them.
Yeah, we are swap.
Never that serious. It's never this serious. Like I understand, yo, yardy, me get it. But boom, clap.
One with a mother.
Bro,
Best believe.
a man have one Jamaican flag on his dashboard till he change color.
Yeah.
And instead of a man take it that one day, a man put one next one side of it.
Bro, listen to man. Me say.
I paint, man, it paint and that.
I
At first, me see me think I want flag like that, I want it.
Or spray or
Yeah, spray.
grease or whatever they call it. Even when they call it rap, whatever
And-
case be.
And
And
watch
then
this now. Where man get one CD from with a Jamaica flag for the dog?
Hmm?
Eh?
What you mean?
One CD. Alright. We understand all of that.
Yeah.
See? For sure, say man different. The man
Interior,
can't have one
Jamaican.
up.
Like I understand, yo, yardy, me get it.
Me get it, yeah. Me get
Car,
it.
he up cap now represent. Up cap have to get color too.
Yeah, me get it, man.
Brother.
Me get it.
Why the hell? You got to your kerchief.
Yo,
Bro,
but
me say
yeah,
man have Jamaica flag on every
But me I
part of
tell
the
you, agree or
vehicle.
disagree. If in the bun ganja, it would have matter. Cause you know
True.
herbs that they all over that. Some big spliff, some Bob Marley
And Bob
sets
Marley
all
picture.
night. Oh, yeah,
Yeah.
say my bro, what you say, man? All over that. In the bun ganja. But big up yourself, Yardy. We are swap you for the youth there.